So in this video, we're gonna solve another a, a bit difficult problem involving systems of linear equation. So the system of linear equation looks like this: x plus cy equals 1, and then cx plus 9y equals 3. Okay, so basically we're gonna put it together because it's a system of linear equation. Now there are three variables here, x, y, and z. Usually we only have x and y for systems of linear equation, but here we have a variable c because that's what we are going to solve. So the problem here is actually we're going to solve for c so that uh, the equations have no solution, or the system of linear equations have no solution. So whatever x or y that you're gonna use, it will not fit to the system of linear equation if you're gonna put that value of c. So what is the value of c so that there's no answer to this system of linear equation? That's the point here in this problem. So what should be the c so that there's no answer or no solution to this problem? So it's kind of weird kind of problem because we want it to be having no answer. Um, but that's the twist, or what makes it a bit difficult to solve. All right, so what we're gonna do is to just solve it as a system of linear equation. We're gonna use elimination method. As you can remember, there are three methods for system of linear equations: substitution, graphical, and elimination method. So I'll just use a elimination method in this case. So again, let's rewrite the two equations. Okay, so I want to remove this first term, cx, okay, or the x. I want to remove that so that I only have a variable y and c as well, because c is what we're looking for. So in that case, I'm going to um, multiply this part by negative c. Okay, so negative c. I'll just make this negative, and then this one multiplied by c. So anyway, it's the same. So that it will be, if you combine them, the cx is gone or can be cancelled. So distribute the c, so it will be cx plus c squared y equals c. Then distribute the negative sign, so it will be negative cx minus 9y equals negative 3. All right, so let's combine these two equations. So cx plus negative cx is 0, so we can cancel that. C squared y plus negative 9y is the same as c squared y minus 9y. Then c plus negative 3 is the same as c minus 3. Okay. So we can take out the y in this case, so we can make it like this: y times c squared minus 9 or c minus 3. Then difference of 2 squares, c squared minus 9 is the same as c squared minus 3 squared. So that means we can factor it as c minus 3 times c plus 3. Then copy c minus 3. Then since both sides has c minus 3, then we can cancel c minus 3 here. So for a while, we can cancel this, Cancel this. This becomes 1. Okay, so what's left is y times c plus 3 equals 1. Then we divide both sides by c plus 3. So cancel c plus 3. So what's left is y equals 1 over c plus 3. So that means for this equation to be having no solution, the c must be something. So what is that something? Now, how will you make it no solution or undefined? It's undefined when the denominator is 0. So this c plus 3 at the bottom will be, it should be 0. So we're going to equate it with 0. So c plus 3 equals 0. C equals -3. And that's the answer. So that means if c is -3 in our systems of linear equation, we're going to replace it with -3. So that means it becomes x minus 3y equals 1 and -3x plus 9y equals 3. Then that means there is no solution to this system of linear equation. Meaning you cannot find an x and y value that makes both equation true. Okay, so that's the point. And that's the answer. C equals -3.